All right, welcome back, everyone. We're on the charts now. So let's start searching for some equal lows, right? So here we see equal lows right there. Why? The left one is lower than the right. Those are equal lows. We got some equal lows here. Three candle formation, 1, 2, 3, that's the low. Those are equal lows. Let's see where else. We have equal lows. The left is lower than the right. These are equal lows. So you can see them clear as day, the same way that you can see equal highs. They're just there. They're easy to spot. The market is fractal, so they're in every time frame, minutes, seconds, the yearly, the daily, right? They're everywhere. The lower the time frame, the more you're going to see. But it's just pretty much the same thing as the equal highs, just vice versa. That's it for now. On to the next one.